I am Odysseus. We need to stop at this here island. Let's eat some of this here food. Cheap thieves, do not eat my food. I am Polyphemus. Would you like some of my drink? No, I just killed your man. You must stay prisoner here. I'm brushing my hair.
Okay.
Go to sleep now with your sheeties. Oh! My eyes! My eyes! Oh! Who has done this to me? Who has done this to me? Who has done this to me? Back off! Nobody. Nobody has hurt me. Nobody has done anything to me.
So my cousin, I actually bought him the other day.